Hey guys, it's Jim Bounds at Motorhome Rehab Ranch, and this is trip to Wyoming, episode 3. It is very exciting. You know, I wanted to help a guy get a really nice coach that I helped build for many, many years to Wyoming. I thought it was a viable thing to do, and he needed a little help, and I was ready to go after 5 months of being, back home, and so we made the plan, and I told you guys, and all of a sudden the world blew up. We've had 2 different ideas and plans on what to do after this. Chad, At Your Leisure TV, AYLTV.com. At Your Leisure, YouTube channel out of Utah about off-road, four-wheeling, things like that. Exciting stuff. Chad and the boys there in Utah are the ones that sponsored Motorhome Rehab Ranch to go out to Utah, to Bonneville Garage, and to help Adam and the gearheads there at Bonneville Garage, Bonneville High School, to work on At Your Leisure's project, Road Force 1. If you remember, there's still some videos out. I've still got some content to put out, but we put in one of the single fuel tanks. We did a quad bag system, pulled out the motor, transmission, and differential in one piece, put it back in 2. Then they put Phytech to it, serpentine belt system, Yukon radiator, all the stuff. They also got a Mac Dash system. And I love those Mac Dashes. Mac does a wonderful job on the dash, and I enjoy putting them in. And after I've done it for so long, I really do enjoy it, and I can do a good job at it. Well, they're at the point in their project over there in Utah to get the Mac Dash in. Chad heard I was coming on the other side of the Mississippi, and he couldn't have it, but he found a way to get me to Utah to help Adam at Bonneville Garage and get that Mac Dash in right. And I'm excited. I enjoy doing it, and I'm glad I can help. And on the way, Chad, man, what a promoter! I tell you, the Rolling Stones need Chad. But I'll be 31st. We'll end up in Wyoming, in Cheyenne, and then from there, he's got me going to some GNC guy. I'm going to see Tony T. Going to work with him and his coach. And on the 4th, looks like the 4th, right, there is a Denver GMC rally on the 4th that he's got me. I'm going to be able to make that rally and see all you guys. It's going to be fantastic. And then I go down to Utah and work on the dash. He promises to get me home somewhere in the beginning of November. So it'll be a great second part of this trip. First part of the trip, as you guys know, we're less than 48 hours away from leaving Orlando. Well, not Orlando. It is in Yalhalla, believe it or not. There is a name of a town called Yalhalla in Florida. It's near DeLand. It's also near Plymouth, Eustis, and Leesburg. Got some strange places like that, but I bet you know the villages. Yeah. Well, this is close to the villages, so we're going to be leaving there. And we're going to be seeing Tuesday. We're going to leave Monday. Tuesday, we're going to be in Bessemer, Alabama with Mark Creel at Alabama RV. We're going to have fun there, have some lunch, and stay the evening with Mark. Then, that's Wednesday. Then we're going to go to Raton, New Mexico. We're going to go to Eufaula State Park. We're going to stay there Wednesday night. Eufaula State Park. Anybody around there, give me a call. Maybe we can hook up that evening. And then it's only, they say it's about a 5-hour drive to Cheyenne. And then we'll get the motorhome in its place and bed him down and get the saddle off and everything. And then we start the second trip of this thing. I really appreciate, I thank Chad and the folks there for putting this together. I hate to deadhead, just go out there and fly home. So they found a way to make this a lot of fun. This is something I wanted to do next year. Next year, I wanted to have some rendezvous rallies around the country, have a tour, and go see all you ranch hands and do some things, and maybe hook it up with some rallies in the summer up north, stuff like that. But we had a chance to do it right now, so what the hey, right? I'll be doing videos and uploads along the trip. I'll show you the coach just before we get in it. And it's going to be a lot of fun. And I'm really excited to see you guys out there on the West Coast. I don't get out there very much, so this is going to be a great thing. Well, guys, give me a call, comments. If you're in our way, we'll see you. And keep following the Wyoming journey trips. Thanks. Share, tell your friends, and we'll see you out there on the road. I'm excited. Ranch hands, made this happen. If you're around there, come see us. All right. Later.